Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will review the usage of mTap mobile app. Head over to App Store or Google's Play Store and search for mTap. Once you find mTap Digital Business Card, install the app and log in with your email and password by which you had registered for the account on mtap.io. The bottom tray consists of Home. On the home screen, you will see all the profiles. If you are mTap Business Pro member or the super user, you will also see your corporate profiles right over here. The second tab is the heart of networking. We call it as Networking Hub. It has all the contacts and leads. Contacts are all the people's information that you have added either by scanning of the QR code on the attendees' badges and once you scan the QR code, it is directly added. Like you see, my name was added right on the top. And then we ask you for your consent if you want to share your information with the persons whose badge you just scanned. If you say yes, then they will receive an email and a text notification with the link to your profile. And the body of the email and the text notification will be based on your setup of the templates. Each individual will have to do their own setup of email template. They can change the body, they can change the salutation. I use Calendly. If you're using something else to book your meetings, you can put the link over here or leave it blank and then save your template. Similarly, you can do it for the text message. Once you have added the contact, you can always add tags to them. You can create a new tag by just writing it and click on the plus sign, or you may choose multiple tags that you want to assign to a particular contact. If you edit, you may choose to add a picture of the contact. So in this case, if I like to take a picture of this card just to show you, you can just add a picture. You can take notes. You can also use the voice recorder to transcribe your notes and then update. This contact is now saved in your account. It is also visible in the dashboard of your super user. And if you have set up your CRM system and linked it to mTap, then this contact is also synced in your CRM tool. Currently, we support Zoho, Salesforce, and HubSpot. If you plan to share this contact with anyone, you can just simply share the contact too. You can directly call the contact, text the contact right from here. If you want to delete a particular contact, then left swipe and then you may delete or you may edit. If you want to share a contact, you may do that from here too. Now, other than scanning of the QR codes, you can also scan a paper business card or add a contact manually or copy them from your phone book. This enables you to support all kinds of use cases that you may have when you are meeting with people. If someone is already carrying their own digital business card, they can tap it on your phone, you copy it in your phone book, save it, and immediately bring them in the mTap ecosystem so that all your contacts are living in one place. Another very useful feature that we have is the widget. Long press so that you are able to add new widgets, search for mTap widget and add. And there you go. I always like to recommend to have the widget on the first screen because this is a big change in the way we network. We are so used to networking with our paper business cards that using the digital business card is a challenge and we sometimes forget. I used to forget it many times earlier. So recommend to use it right in the app, easy access to it. QR code tab. Here you will get all your QR codes. More importantly, the feature of offline QR code is very handy if you are in a place where there is no Wi-Fi and data line is very weak. If you scan this QR code, it will open your information, all your contact information in other person's phone book, whether Android or iOS. You may also use it to share your information with anyone right from here. While scanning the QR codes on the badge, you may use the QR code scanner right on the top here. If the phone QR code scanner is not working. That is just a tip. Any other questions, please feel free to reach back to me at rupak@mtap.io or